What's up, y'all? Today is Monday and the office is closed and it's kind of a holiday for the company, but I decided to come in just because this property's backed up and I want to help catch them up. Should be a good day. Office isn't going to be bugging me, only emergencies that come in and work orders. Let's get it. I've been trying to track this smell down and it's strongest in this room. Old broccoli. Oh my God. Who does this? Like, why? Oh. You know, there's about 5 or 6 different residents that put that work order in for that smell in that hallway. So now I get to close out 6 work orders and pad my numbers a little bit. I just got a call from the on-call tech saying there's no hot water. I did pull keys for a bunch of, I don't know, regular work orders. Let's go check out this no hot water call though. Dishwasher's running. That's not going to work too well with no hot water. All right, haven't seen this type of gas valve before. We've got one flash. Here's some info on the side. I might have to look up and see what the one flash is. I'm feeling this pipe. There's definitely hot water. Let's run it and see what happens. So the water coming out of the water heater tank is smoking hot. It's super, I can't even keep my hand on it. The water coming through the mixing valve is not. This is cold right here. Right here is cold. This goes to our Aquatherm. We have a check valve here. I'm just gonna try something. I'm gonna make my own check valve. This pipe is starting to heat up now. So we have 84-degree hot water coming through the mixing valve. Right here, I'm almost burning my hand. This right here goes to the Aquatherm, and then it comes back and dumps back into the cold water line. There's a check valve here that prevents cold water from coming back. This check valve is stuck open, so cold water is coming back into here. Look, now we're at 78. If I make my own check valve by shutting down that water, watch what happens here. Now we're getting hot water. Now we're cooking. So what do? First thing I'm gonna do is shut the water off to the apartment hot water heater. I'm gonna shut off the gas valve. I'm gonna shut off this valve going to the Aquatherm. So what I've got here is a 3/4 inch SharkBite check valve. Go ahead and talk crap about the SharkBites. I really don't care. I've used them 9 years straight. 0 callbacks on them. Here's our return line. Water faucet is open, so system should be empty. But some excess water is going to come out. Let's make sure it doesn't fall directly on the gas valve. The arrow is extremely faint, but it is going this way. It does matter which way you put this in. So this is our return line. This check valve is gonna stop the cold water from coming back and interfering with our hot water. Just gonna crack it to check for leaks. Definitely don't want that bursting off. Turn our water heater gas valve back on. Now all valves are open. I'm not isolating anything. And there's our water heater temp coming out of the mixing valve. And these mixing valves, they get gunked up too. Building's 10 years old. Yeah, I had to use pliers. This is all the way shut. Here's our boneyard. This one's trash. Might as well. Gonna steal this one. There we go. These blinds are actually pretty good and don't break that often, but when they do, that's where this plastic piece right here just snaps. And yeah, good luck finding parts for these. I'm just going to replace these blinds. I do like taking little parts from blinds Like these come in handy big time. These go missing a lot. So I just cut the strings and then throw these in a bin labeled blind parts. Let's help if I have my knife the right way. I got my new blinds right here out of the package. The old blinds. Now I'm going to show you guys a trick, especially you new guys. I'm going to show you a real awesome trick. Instead of leaving the blinds on the workbench, grab the old blinds that you're not going to ever use again, grab the box that you got the new blinds out of, and then take your blinds and your box to your nearest compactor or trash chute, and then throw it in the compactor. Taking a quick lunch break out here in the park, and then we're going to get back to hitting up some more work orders. Water way back there. Water back on that wall. Way back there. Nothing really in the front. Giant blanket in the dryer. This is all wet. Control board's all wet. Shut the drain. Look at that. It's just soaked in here. Alright, spin cycle drain's working fine. Let's go on to the next one. Guys, check this out. I was looking for a bathroom mirror, and I found this gem. This is a GE tub and transmission. This is like gold. Hell yeah. All right, here's an example of someone being an a-hole. They took the glass, the only part that breaks, and this. I mean, come on, guys. Just throw the whole thing out. You're not going to use the whole thing. All right, y'all. I think that's going to be it with work orders for today, unless any emergencies come in. I greatly appreciate you all hanging out with me today. My rest of the day, I think I'm going to order a couple parts. I got to find a panic bar for an exterior door. It's gonna get cold here in Denver, and the homeless are gonna be breaking in left and right. We gotta try and at least make it difficult for them, even though when it's freezing cold out, they will find a way in most likely. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Dave. See you on the next vlog.